Come on, relax, relax. Come on. You're gonna get hurt. You're gonna get hurt.
I can't breathe!
At Miami International Airport, a flight to Philadelphia was grounded because of a passenger who flew into a rage. She accused another traveler of scratching her Louis Vuitton bag in the overhead bin. But what began as a simple dispute quickly escalated into kidnapping threats, leading to a full evacuation of the aircraft and a violent struggle with police on the tarmac.
They don't want to get off. They don't want to get off. It's cool.
Oh, y'all were here this whole time and y'all didn't. How about y'all grab my bag? Y'all just here do something. Make yourself useful. Guys, I don't know why she got kicked off. That's just my friend, so I'm going with her.
I'm a retired Army veteran. I know how to conduct myself. I know how to conduct myself.
Put your bags in the front.
Take off your purse. Why?
Take off your purse, okay?
Why?
You guys are gonna go to jail. Take off your purse.
Why are we going to jail?
Take off your purse.
I'm not comfortable.
Listen to it.
Talaya!
Relax.
No, you're making me uncomfortable.
Relax.
You're making me uncomfortable. Why am I going to jail? I didn't say nothing. I didn't hit nobody. Why?
Come on, relax. Got it? All right. Stop yourself.
Somebody, I'm a retired Army veteran. Talaya!
What's wrong with you?
Because you're making me uncomfortable.
Calm down.
No.
You're under arrest.
For what?
We'll let you know right now. Come on. We're gonna get the other.
You're choking me. Talaya!
Do not completely sober. He just told me she's kicked off. I don't know why I'm being arrested. I'm sober.
Yes, you are.
Brian, I tried to calm her down.
I see
I calmed her
stars.
down. I'm not screaming.
I'm not screaming.
I'm sober.
Can you let go of me like this? Excuse me, sir.
Calm down.
I am a sergeant. Retired from the Army.
You're not acting like someone who's been.
You're not either. You're not either.
You're under
If you were
arrest
acting
now.
like it,
Calm down.
Excuse me.
I don't want to talk to you. Calm down. What's wrong with you? All right.
Can you stop touching me?
I'm choking! Being a officer my whole life, you bitch, I'll spit on you. I'll give you fucking killed. You pussy.
As officers attempted to subdue her on the ground for her own safety and the safety of the other passengers, the suspect crossed a line. She didn't just stop at insults, she made explicit death threats. In the state of Florida, threatening to kill an officer in the line of duty is a serious offense. This was no longer just resisting, it was a direct criminal threat.
I have no name.
Relax. Look,
Figure it out.
Listen,
Ma'am,
you don't want to talk to them, don't worry about it. Talk to me, okay?
ma'am, can I speak to you? Can you come over here? Can we move around? You guys can both hold me, but move me away because I'm going to smack the shit and I will break out of this as quick as you ever think. Nobody has said anything to anybody. So why am I detained?
Because what happened was they told you guys to get off the plane. You guys refused to get off the plane. I was not in there, but that's what they're saying.
No, we did not refuse. Even the airport people, the people that were sitting next to us said, why are they trying to kick you off? You can go on and ask everyone.
Yeah, but you have to understand, whenever the airlines tells you to get off,
I'm retired Army. I understand. I get every baggage free. I get loaded for free. Why would I act any way? Please tell me. If that's the reason because I was scared off, how would you act? It doesn't justify anything, but it's justify you acting like this? When I fight for your freedom, you don't fight for my freedom like I fight for your freedom. I've shot, I've had die right in front of me. Let's be real. I've seen die anymore. That's not fair.
Okay, just relax and let them figure it out. Just relax.
Mommy, so figure it out for them to do this. I've never been arrested. You can look at my record. I've never been arrested like this. You guys are detaining us to keep us from acting violent, but you don't understand this makes us more acting more violent. I didn't even yell. I didn't even hit nobody.
Hey, you said you was a,
I don't care. Just get me out of here. I don't want my clothes. I don't want that shit. I want to go home. I don't want that. I want to go home. I've been trying to go home for 2 days. My best friend died in front of my hotel. What the f is wrong with y'all?
After showing extreme aggression, she suddenly changed her tune and tried to justify her behavior by claiming she was dealing with personal trauma. In law enforcement, it's common to see suspects invoke a recent death or tragedy in a desperate attempt to gain sympathy and secure a get-out-of-jail-free card.
Y'all are sick! You're sick! I thought you would be different. You're sick, you're sick. My best friend got shot, cold-blooded in front of the hotel. I've been trying to go home since then. No, you're not. If you were sorry, I wouldn't be in this. I didn't yell at nobody.
Just because I'm sorry doesn't mean
I
your behavior
understand.
is okay.
I didn't behave no way. It was such tears.
Oh, okay. Your bag's right there.
Even everybody else, I didn't. You can ask everyone sitting next to me. They're having me hold their babies. Why would they have me hold their babies if I wasn't a good person? I hate all y'all. No, get off me.
We're gonna walk. Come on. Don't make it harder than what it has to be. Come on.
You're gonna get hurt. You're gonna get hurt. Yeah, I got it, Benny. Got it?
Yeah.
You're on stairs, don't knock up.
Get one foot and I'm gonna get the other.
You got leg restraints? Trying to fight.
I can't breathe. No, I can't. I'm not being funny.
Wait on the leg restraints. You hurt, Benny?
You bitch.
Have my phone. Stairs.
Hi, the bitch back. My hair. Ow.
She thought she was defending her luxury bag. Instead, she ended up with a rap sheet. The legal fallout was severe. 2 counts of battery on a law enforcement officer, 1 count of resisting with violence, 3 misdemeanor counts of assault on an officer and trespassing. In addition to the criminal charges, Frontier Airlines permanently banned her from all future flights. She wanted to protect her Louis Vuitton, but she ended up in an orange jail jumpsuit. Don't forget to subscribe for more investigations.